Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a glitch distortion transition like this on Filmora9. So let's start the video. For more cool tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. Drag your video into timeline.
Does that sound like something you
Split your footage where you want transition effect. Add another video and again split where you want effect.
will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to.
Apply same process in full video.
I'm stuck in trying to find a way.
Now go to effects and search glitch distortion and drag into timeline.
That there's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's
Zoom the timeline.
to realize.
Place timeline bar middle position of two videos. Now go 5 frames back and split this.
Nobody else. So give me something to believe.
And again go 5 frames later and also split this.
Will you promise me?
Now delete rest part. Now copy this and paste it every cut of video. I have a transition sound effect, listen. Drag this sound effect in every cut of video
Stranger to
and adjust like this.
burned me once or twice. I expect them.
Copy this and paste on every transition.
This. Will you be the one to break me out of this?
Render frame for smooth playback. Now double click on sound effect and decrease the sound level to -8.
With nobody else. So give me something to believe.
Let's check the preview.
Will you promise me? I believe in love, I believe in honesty. Does that sound like something you'd be into? I believe the truth can be reality.
So let's export our final project.
I believe in love, I believe in honesty. Does that sound like something you'd be into? I believe the truth can be reality.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.
Been trying to find a way to make it easier.